What up, with you? It's your boy, Pillow Moves, Pillow making the moves. And for today's video, we are going to be doing our Sunday market overview. Plug. Mainly focusing on gold because I heard gold is about to reach that new high, that new $5,000 high. Plug.
Gold hit another record as it marches toward $5,000 an ounce. Investors are piling into safe haven assets amid geopolitical turmoil.
Plug. And we gotta analyze and see if it's gonna happen. Let's get it. Plug. I mostly trade gold, guys. I mostly trade gold. I know a lot of traders mostly trade gold. It's just a sense of comfortability in trading gold. Even though it'll be moving crazy sometimes, but it's like, for me, it's home. Gold is home for me. Gold is what showed me that forex is possible. Okay, y'all can peep here. I'm gonna put it up here. Small mistake there, guys. I had screen recorded on the laptop, but unfortunately it did not save properly, so I had to analyze again my mobile phone. So the next clip will be me analyzing the phone, and do not worry, I will voice over and explain what I was doing. Plug. Okay, guys, so here we have gold. So first, let's go to the daily time frame real quick. And we see that gold has been on a bullish run, strong bullish run. Since from the beginning, gold has just been buying. So here we're gonna mark out our previous high level on the daily time frame. Let's go down to the 4-hour. See here we have we're gonna mark out that $5,000 high, the one we think gold is gonna reach. It basically reaches basically like $13 away from reaching it. So we're gonna mark out our highs, our resistance turn support. Just gonna mark out our highs. We'll go down to the 1-hour time frame, and then there we have another resistance turn support. Keep it real simple, real clean. Nothing too crazy. And you have here another resistance, a small resistance here. This will give us our confidence, our confirmation that gold will break this resistance and buy. But what I think is it's gonna come back, retrace, and then break out that zone and retest, and then finally break officially the $5,000 line. And because currently it's like $13 away from breaking. Essentially, I would enter around here or here, right? But since I'm more busy with school and stuff, it will be luck if I catch this trade, unfortunately. But as long as if you seeing this on Sunday, take the trade. If you're lacking, don't miss out. And if you go back here, you just go back to the history of gold. Just go back. First time it broke like a major high, which was $4,000. Unfortunately, I wasn't there for that too, right? And the market, if you know, and you should know that it repeats itself most of the time. It repeats itself. So $4,000. Here we have it broke out strongly, and then it corrected. So the reason why I'm showing you guys this is that it will do the same thing when it breaks out that $5,000 high. It will break out impulsively and then correct properly. And this will be a good trade for swing traders as they will catch this massive buy when it breaks out that $5,000 high. They'll hold the trade, and yeah, same thing. Go down to the 15 minutes, and yeah, Now let's go to US30 daily time frame. See here on the daily high. Okay, let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. And I'm using my mobile here, guys. So here you see I have that strong resistance there that USDT has constantly tested, which it will eventually break, right? As we know. And here we have this level that I marked out. Let's go to the 1 hour. And you see that market is currently sitting on that level there, signaling us low-key that it wants to buy. It'll push to buy. It might break the zone, go to the low and reject, but let's go to the 15-minute now. And here's what we see: an inverse head and shoulder. We have a left shoulder, our head, and our right shoulder, and potential rejection. Then buy, not potential rejection, it will do that, but I'm saying potential because it might break below and reject, then buy, but most likely we'll do this. Yes, now let's go to GBPUSD on the daily time frame. Here I've marked out my highs, my recent high that GBPUSD broke. See there, that high that I marked out, and then we have another second major high and another third major high. So the reason I marked these out because these are potential areas that the market might reach, touch, most likely respect. Go down to the 4-hour time frame and we see clearly that it has broken out, most likely to retest. I'm going to delete these so we can explain properly. So here I'm going to mark out this level, necessary, but I did it, I guess. Oh, it looks like I ran out of battery. Okay, I charged it. Yes, now moving on, 1 hour time frame. And here's as I was saying, but I looked over it from the 1 hour time. Okay, let's go to the 15. The market, as it broke here, naturally market nature, when it impulsively breaks, it will correct back to the initial break where it broke out of. Sometimes it does it, but most likely it does. So we'll do something like this: correct way back, probably reject there and reject, and then that is essentially where I will take my buy over there, put my TP over there, stop loss right below, just below there, and also up there is another potential take profit, but we don't know what the market might do. If it breaks, we'll just leave it moving. Let's go to USDJPY on the daily time frame. And again, yes, we are already analyzed, but since we lost the footage, you see there, that's the resistance area, and then the support. And as you can see, since USDJPY is like the opposite to gold and Euro USD, it's sold, impulsively sold, right? And I marked this trend line here, the correction, and how it broke out. So those traders that caught this trade, I'm sure they ate nice, they ate nah. Okay, and I marked out these levels. Yeah, let's go to the lower time frame to show us properly. So I marked out these levels because of how the market impulsively broke. And as you know, when the market impulsively breaks, it usually corrects back to the start of the impulse. And as you can see from that, what I outlined is that it will sort of like correct. It will correct back either to that first level or the second, this level. So that's why I put two targets. So it's either the first level it will correct back to, or the other one. Okay, now let's go to the low time frame, 15-minute, and now we can clearly see, and if you peep there before, that's a sign of a reversal market nature, right? short reversal, not like full reversal, just a reversal, like to either it'll pull back all the way up there or to that second level below. Yeah, so either this level or that one. We'll see on Monday. And I don't know what I was trying to do. I think I was trying to mark out the supply. I don't really trade supply and demand. I just do it sometimes, and that's the final level there that I think the market will reach. Now let's go to your USD on the daily time frame, and let's zoom in here. Zoom in. See there, I marked out the highest point your USD reached, and the previous most recent level it recently broke out of that one right there. Let's delete that. Let's go to the 4-hour, and here I just marked us just for the sake of marking it out. Here is where the correction happened before the break. W for the traders that caught that trade, I'm sure they ate. So here it broke out. Okay, let's move on from that. Here we have this level that it resisted for a while to break. And here on the 1 hour, to clearly see it how the market respected this level for a while and then broke out of on the 15-minute time frame. That out of the way. So one of two things could happen. It could either go down below, correct all the way back to that previous resistance level, and then break out all the way. And that's where I would take my buy. Put my stop loss right below there, or take my buy up there. Two, it could do this, this is what it's most likely to do, correct, and then push up. Because it's already broken out of that level, there's no reason for it to go back all the way down, but it is possible. This is forex at the end of the day, and this is the market, so it might do that. And I will essentially just put my stop loss right below that candle for my take profit right there. And that's it for today, guys.
Plug. And that's it, guys, for the Sunday market overview. Hope y'all enjoyed. Hope y'all maybe had your notes out. Tell me what y'all think gold is gonna do next week. Comment down below. Plug. Okay, for the next video, guys, I will be starting my flip series, my first ever flip series. I'll be funding 50 rand, and I'm gonna flip it to whatever amount. So I'll fund Monday, and by Friday I'll drop the video updating you on how much I was able to flip it to. I could flip it to 500, even 1,000. Last time I funded 50 rand and I flipped it to 3k in a matter of 2 weeks, purely off of gold, because gold was treating me nice in those 2 weeks. Hopefully it does that again. And yeah, that'll be the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to grow this family together, guys. We are all on the journey. I hope so, as you're watching me. I want you to get inspired to do your own things. Yeah, and don't forget, keep on moving. Okay, it's in the name, Below moves, keep on moving. Yeah, see you all on the next one. Plug.